Alright guys, welcome to Tutorial Thursdays. Thank you for understanding about there being no uploads last week. There were a few personal things that had happened the weekend prior, and it wiped out that weekend. Kind of wiped out this weekend as well, therefore there's not a Monday upload either. That Monday upload is going to be higher quality, therefore I'm not fussed about missing sometimes, but I will notify you if that's the case. So today's episode is going to be on creating your own LUTs for use in Premiere. I would always recommend working with adjustment layers so that you're not destroying any work that you've done prior to each individual clip. I've done videos on this previously, they will be linked up in the top right hand corner if you want to watch them. If you do, fire away just now and then jump back to this video if you want to get a better understanding on the likes of colour grading and installing other LUTs. LUTs generally are an overlay after you've done colour correction, etc. So we're going to jump into it. As you'll see, I'm in the colour tab on Adobe Premiere, however you want to say it. Generally when creating LUTs you want to push it to fairly extreme, not to the point that you're blowing out whites and you're crushing black, but to the point where you get the nice contrast and an extreme sort of colour profile. That way you can tone it down when you apply it to other things, or tone it up if you need later on. Bear with me while I just play around until I get a look that I'm happy with. Alright guys, so once you've done your colour corrections and this is the look that you want to go for, or whatever look you come up with, you just want to be into the colour tab, then your Lumetri colour. If you right click on it, you can export the look or export the cube, and this is how you export it for use in other places. I'll just call it and then select your desktop, save, and once you've done that you can select that. You can take stills from the video that you have edited with a before and after application of the LUT, upload that to your website or store, wherever you want to do so. And if you want to save it for your own use only, you save the preset, name it in here, hit OK, and it will show up in your table in general. If it doesn't, you can export the cube and then follow my tutorial, which has been up in the right hand corner. I'll put it back up in the right hand corner right now. Alright guys, so that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. If you did, a like rating would be appreciated. If there's anything else you want to see covered in these tutorials on Thursdays, then please leave a comment down below. If you want to see more from me, then please consider hitting that subscribe button. It does mean a lot. And until next time guys, keep it real, hunt the thrill, peace.